Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm in the process of installing this incredible struts on the 97 4Runner, and I would like to show you a few details about it. Here you can see the old one and the new one side by side, and basically it's a Bilstein front strut adjustable seat Bilstein 5100, and it says the note here is lowest spring seat notch provides stock ride height, second notch up provides approximately 1.25 inches of the lift, the top notch provides approximately 2.5 lift with a stock coils. You can see already how they are sitting side by side, and the new one, the Bilstein on the left, is longer. And it seems to be that you call this company, right, this Wheelers Off-Road, and they assemble it for you the way you want it. So you choose one of those selections and they send you two struts ready to be installed. And I got that from the customer, from my friend. He just brought it here in the box, and I'm basically the grease monkey who is installing it. When you unbox it, you better pay attention because they weren't marked the driver and passenger, right? They came with the new top screws. This one is still obviously here, but I always recommend you to use this blue thread locker, right? And let me show you how it is installed right here. So of course, because it's longer, it was challenged to put it in, right? It was set differently. Here you can see the new nuts. That's where I used the blue thread locker, right? Everything needs to be correctly tied to the spec and so on, but it's looking really great. I dig it. Hopefully you like it too, and I'm sure he will enjoy these struts for a long time in future. And this upgrade is not cheap. I hope the customer doesn't mind if I share how much it was, right? But I saw the invoice, and including that assembly, right, the assembly for you, for that specs you requested, and the shipping, these two struts, two new Bilstein struts, cost approximately $500. Well, I better get going because he's waiting for it. So this is how it looks after I took it off the rack. You can clearly see that the front is higher, but of course I'm going to do the test drive, and after the test drive, right, the suspension had time to adjust. I assume you can see in this video clearly that the front is definitely higher than the back, and I wonder how the owner will deal with it, if he will keep it that way or he will put some leveling kit on the back. So that's the wrap up. Thanks for watching, and be subscribed. I have way more stuff coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.